Hello viewers, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to turn your TkinterDnD application into an executable. So I'm going to assume you already have all the necessary files for TkinterDnD installed on your computer and that you already created a TkinterDnD application and you want to turn it into an executable. So if you haven't done so already, then this is not the tutorial for you. So with that out of the way, let's get started. Alright, so this is my VS Code application that I made with TkinterDnD. And I want to turn it into an executable. So it's just a text sorter with drag and drop features. So this is optional, but I made a executable folder called VS Code exe, and this is my C drive where I'm going to store the executable. So what I want to do is copy and paste the code and put it into the executable folder. And now I want to go to the command prompt and I want to install this module called PyInstaller, which is used to make the executable. So I could do pip install PyInstaller. And if you already have it, it's just going to say requirement already satisfied. And now I'm going to change directories to the executable folder by cd and then the folder. So an error will occur if you compile like you would do with a regular Tkinter application. So let's see what happens. We can do PyInstaller and then one file and then copy the name of the file and paste it in there, and let's execute it. So all these new folders will pop up here as well till the process finishes. So it says completed successfully, and now the dist folder is where it has your executable in. So if I click on it, it's going to give me an error. So there's a really quick error that pops up and disappears. And so I'm going to show you how to fix that. It took me a while to figure it out, but what I needed to do was locate my TCL folder and find my TkinterDnD folder. So should be under your user, then your username, app data, local, programs, Python, then Python version, and then TCL. So what I'm going to do is copy and paste that folder and then paste it in the VS Code exe file. Now I'm going to go back to the command prompt and I'm going to do PyInstaller one file, so it's for just one file. Then I'm going to do add data. This is the most important part. And then I want to copy the name of that file and put it into the quotation marks and then semicolon dot. So dot is just a current directory. And I think for Linux you're using colon, but for Windows is semicolon. And then you want to just do window. This is optional, it's just to prevent the CMD from popping up in the background of your application. And then finally the name of the application code, and then execute it. Now let's check the dist folder and see if the executable works this time. So as you can see, it works this time. We don't get the error anymore. So that is all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching.